Carvana's stock price soared to new all-time highs after it posted a blowout quarter with record sales and profit per unit sold. In the second quarter, Carvana sold over 143,000 vehicles, a 41% increase from the same period last year, with revenue climbing 42% to $4.84 billion, the highest level in the company's history. The online used car seller's gross profit per unit rose to $7,426 last quarter, with a notable spike in April following President Trump's auto tariff announcements. According to Carvana's CFO Mark Jenkins, the higher April retail gross profit per unit can be linked to the announcements driving stronger demand and higher margins. The company believes it has room to grow, holding only 1.5% of the U.S. used car market, and aims to sell 3 million cars annually within 5 to 10 years. Carvana's retail sales have grown roughly 80% over the past 2 years, and CEO Ernie Garcia attributes the company's success to its, quote, superior business model. Garcia stated that the results show Carvana is again the fastest growing and most profitable automotive retailer, both by significant margins. The company expects a sequential rise in retail unit sales for the third quarter. With the convenience of purchasing online and the shift towards used cars, this might not be too much of a stretch.